This Chipotle chicken grilled cheese is gonna be the new must-try recipe. It's ready in about 15 minutes, and each sandwich has over 40 grams of protein. Start by grabbing a mixing bowl, and we're gonna make the creamy Chipotle chicken base of this grilled cheese, and it has so much flavor, and it's really simple. Not that many ingredients go into this, and you're just gonna mix it all up, and then take your slices of bread and spray with a little spray butter, add some garlic powder and parsley, and then flip it over and add a little bit of fat-free mozzarella cheese, a little bit of chicken, some more cheese, and top the sandwich off and cook on the stove for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. And this one at 41 grams of protein, only 410 calories, means you've gotta try it out. Be sure to check out my cookbook and enjoy.